Today, I'm gonna show you an amazing 2-2 condex right here on the putting green in this amazing 55 plus community. I can't wait to show you. Come on in. My name is Jim, your 352 Realtor. If you're interested in this property, if any others, you call me, 352-492-1699. Enjoy the video. This is a great home. As I stated, this is a condex here in Arlington Ridge. Let me just give you the front yard. So the beauty of this is all the exterior, including roof, is all the HOA's responsibility. There's no maintenance done. The door is on the side. I'm gonna show you right through the trees. Putting green is in literally your side yard. This is an amazing property built in 2021. I can't wait to show you the inside. Come on in. As we come through the front door, look at this amazing wide open, beautiful concept. Just tile floors, knockdown ceilings, recessed lighting, just big, tall, open, airy windows. Let's go right into the kitchen. As we come in the kitchen, look at that amazing backsplash on the quartz countertops, gray cabinetry, light grays on the wall. Yeah, really nice on stainless steel appliances. Right here over, there's your pantry with wire shelving in it. It's ready for us, so overstock either appliances or extra dry food or wet food storage for you. Again, really nice. Let's go to the second bedroom. Coming down the hall into the second incredibly big bedroom. These are not small bedrooms. Really nice. Double door, your bifold door. Dual windows, so you get lighting on both sides. Fan, nice modern lighting. Looking back where we came in from, everything is just meticulously maintained. Really nice. Let's continue. Right across from the second bedroom is the guest bath here. That's fiberglass on top of tile, wall there. Again, your quartz countertops, your gray cabinetry, all under the same tile flooring, just beautifully done. Oh, here's your utility room. Let's take a look at this. So your washer and dryer would go here. This is electric home, no gas. Utility sink, and look at this. This could be an office. If you're looking for an office, some form of craft room, some extra storage space, it's here. Right here in the utility room of this property. I'll share the address here very shortly. Let's continue on to the master. So heading into the primary master, wide open space once again, huge windows, modern fan with light on top. Right there connected to your master bath. There's your closet. Has a his and hers, which is very, very nice. There's your water closet there. Nice huge mirror with a double sink into a walk-in shower that's all tiled throughout. Yeah, nice. All right, let's head into this under heat and air. is your finished off Lanai, giving you just beautiful space. Outlooking, this is your downtown area. You don't need to take a golf cart to get to the downtown. So you got the movie theater, you got the pro shop, you have the restaurants, you have the rec center, if you will, all right here. There's that putting green right here next to you. These are one-way windows, so during the day, they can't see me inside. All they see is a reflection. Again, a really nice upgraded touch here. These do slide, so you can open them up. Maybe during the winter months, you want to get where air conditioning is not needed, you can open these up to get a lot of fresh air. There is a door to get out the backside. Again, you can open those windows too. This is beautiful space. People absolutely love this space. There's plenty of electrical plugs here. So if you wanted to put a TV out here, not a problem. All right, let's go to the garage together. All right, heading into the garage. Yeah, here's the business side. So a little bit extended over here, which is nice. So if you have a golf cart, you can get in here, but if not a golf cart, two-car garage is right here. There's room for drop-down stairs if you want, or maybe the magic stairs that are metal that slide down. Those are really nice. There's your hot water tank. As you well know, here's some screens that go in windows, all right here. I can't wait to show you the wrap up. It's pretty amazing. Let's take a look at the electrical box. Plenty of room for extra space. So I like to show you. Again, extra tiles if you want. The owner has done a fantastic job in leaving you extras, a complete manual on this home of warranties on what's done to the home with receipts. That's hard to find. Insulated garage door, that's always nice, especially in the summer months here to keep that heat out of there. All right, let's go for a wrap-up video. All right, gang, that's gonna wrap up this property. I know it's a quick one, but it's a 2-2. This is built in 2021. This amazing property that's super clean. I couldn't wait to show you. I'm at 27203 White Plains Way. I'm in Leesburg, Florida. I'm right off Route 27. I'm in Arlington Ridge, as people know it. You're right across the street from another great community called Legacy of Leesburg. They both really bookend each other. It's beautiful here. You're super close, so if you don't want to take a golf cart, or maybe you don't want to own a golf cart, right here, you have Town Square. You're not far away from everything going on here with all the amenities. Another beautiful thing is people worried about roofs and exteriors and painting and so on and so forth. Not here, not here. HOA covers all that for you here. You just worry about the interior things. So don't need to worry about any of the roof and how old and replacements or being phone called. None of that here. So that is a huge bonus of just simple living. Don't need to do the landscaping. Not here. It's all included in your fees. So not crazy fees here either. I think you're really going to be surprised. More importantly, this property has been absolutely maintained and upgraded beautifully. There's gutters in the front where you'd expect them, finished off the nine with air, with windows that are one way, which is really nice. At night, they'll be extremely tinted, so if you have a light on, I don't think they're really gonna see inside anyways, because they become a dark tint on you. So someone really did a nice job. They upgraded the kitchen. As you can see, the black backsplash is amazing here. I just can't say enough about this property. The property is being listed at $290,000. Again, folks, this is a 2021 property. It has all the upgrades with tile all the way through. Just think of with throw rugs in your furniture, whether you're a beachy theme, which would work really nice in this, or you have some other theme that you want to bring to this property, it's going to look gorgeous. Super high ceilings, everything's well maintained. And I couldn't be happy for the next owner that literally is gonna buy an opportunity here. in Arlington Ridge. Again, my name is Jim, your 352 Realtor. My number is 352-492-1699. If you want to see this property, you call me. I'll show you directly. I know this property up and down and would be proud to open up and unlock that door for you to show you firsthand of what this property is all about. Again, my name is Jim, your 352 Realtor. I can't wait to show you the next one.